Good morning, seniors. This morning I have a wireless power bank I'm making a review on. And the nice thing about this is this will charge any type of cell phone, almost any type of cell phone. Plus, if you have a key phone, which is a iPhone 8 and above, or a Samsung, the later Galaxies and Notes, uh, any factory key enabled phone, this will work on. Plus, as a bonus, I'm going to see if this will work on a uh, aftermarket key charger for Android and iPhone. And we'll start right after this. Okay, in case we haven't met before, my name is John Bell. I'm a retired school teacher and a full-time YouTuber. And today we're going to review this wireless power bank. Now, like I said, this is a dual function. All right. As you can see here on the back, it will wirelessly charge a factory key phone, or you can use your phone's charging cable to go from the USB port on here to your phone and charge it. Okay, so let's go to the desktop, and I will show you the product here. Okay, this is a Jeecoo portable charger. I'm sure they're put out under many different names. Okay, 5,000 milliamps. It's not the biggest. Okay, there's 5 LED indicator lights. It's a wireless power bank. So it's a battery pack with suction cups that will stick to cell phones that have the original case or a case on them that's smooth. Okay. Now, also, thing I wanted to show you here is it'll stick to the cell phone itself, and you don't have to worry about it. No cables, no nothing. Okay. Now, this is a key-enabled cell phone. Okay. Like, for instance, the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. Okay. I tried this on my lady friend's iPhone 8 Plus, and it worked just fine. Okay. And now today we're going to find out if it'll work on an aftermarket key charger. Okay. So it's wireless charging, 500 milliamps, suction cups, and plus you can charge, use your USB charging cable to charge your cell phone. Okay. So what we're going to do now is go to the overhead, and I will unbox this and show you how it works. Okay, here is the product. As you can see, it has 2-in-1 charging, the wireless or your phone charging cable to the USB port. Okay, so we'll open this up and pull out the product. Empty box. Okay. All right, here's a user's manual. Let's see if there's anything. There's a switch on the side to turn it on. Okay. And then there is a series of 5 lights on the back. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them. They're right here. I don't really have a good angle. Well, you'll see them when they light up. Okay. One is a wireless charging status indicator, and the other 4 are percent of charge. So 0, 25, 75, 100. Okay. Now this, well, we'll get to that later. Okay. And then, of course, you have the charging cable. This is the cable to charge it from your desktop or wall or whatever, any USB. Okay. me move this out of the way. And go to here. Okay, and you see the lights light up. Now you have 5 of them there. The first one is red, meaning that it's on, and the other 4 are percentage charge. So you can see we have 3 solid blues and 1 blinking blue. That means it's charging the last 25%. So from 75 to 100%. So that's plenty for our purposes here. And so we'll just unplug this. Okay, and move this out of the way. Okay, you have you have here on the side an on-off switch. You can see that. Okay, you long press it, it goes off. You long press it and, oops, short press it, and it comes back on. Now, if I take my iPhone 6s Plus, which has an aftermarket key charger on it, and put this on here, okay, you can see the light here is blinking red and green. Okay, if I go to the instructions, it says red and green light flashes. Alternatively, wireless charging is abnormal. Okay, so even though I made my iPhone 6s Plus, okay, an aftermarket key charger, it will not work with this unit. Okay, but not to fear. Okay, because if I remove this, unplug it, okay, take my iPhone charging cable, which is a USB-A to a Lightning, okay, and I put this in here, okay, and I turn this unit on, okay, plug this in the USB port. You can see now my iPhone is charging. Okay, this works exactly the same way with an Android. Here's mine that's set up for wireless charging, wireless key charging. However, if I want to use it with this device, if I'm on the go, out and about, my phone's getting low, I can take this off, use my regular USB-A to micro charger on here. That also happens to be the same charger cable that comes with the unit. Okay, so I have 2 of these. Okay, so I did try this with my lady friend's iPhone 8s, and it worked just fine. Okay, and that's factory installed key charging. Okay, these aftermarket ones for the Android or for the iPhone, they will not work with this unit. Okay. However, you can see here, this is charging just fine right off of the USB cable. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. Now, the only thing that I really don't like about this unit is I would rather this switch here be a slide switch on and off, because what happens is in the process of using this, the lights go out. and you don't know if the unit's on or off. And so you might be plugging it, your USB cable into a dead device. So you have to then, make sure, you press it and the lights are on. There you go. And the lights are on here. Now this you see is fully charged. Okay. And it's ready to go. And if I plug in my iPhone now to this, okay, you can see there is no red light. Okay. Yes, there is. There's a red light, but the iPhone is charging. So there you go. So it works the same way with Android. But that's the only gripe I have with this. Other than that, this is small, this is light, this is convenient. If you have a factory-made key charger already installed, you can just literally um, um, take your phone, stick this to the back of it, and you're ready to go. It would be charging right now. Of course, this we already showed you it doesn't. Okay, and that's a very, very strong. Okay, your phone's not going to fall off of that. So, you might not be able to put this back in your phone case like this, but you can for sure, slip it in your pocket like so, and it'll sit there and charge. It'll sit there and charge on you. So, all right, that's all I have to say about this product. It's a very well made product. The only thing that I don't like is the fact that it doesn't have an on and off switch. It has an on and off button. Okay, I can live with it. And it was only $21.99 off Amazon. And so until next time, this is John Bell signing off. Oh, by the way, I'll put up a card here to show you how to convert your iPhone to a key charger and also your Android to a key charger if you're interested. And this will be part of the series on this. So until next time, signing off. This is John Bell again, thanking you for watching another quality review. If you saw this on Facebook, please like it. If you saw it on YouTube, please subscribe. Until next time, John Bell, signing out.